Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start off the fall decorating with a yummy crock pot meal. It's going to be chicken and dumplings. What you are going to need is carrots, half an onion. You're going to need about 3 stalks of celery. I ended up using 4 chicken breasts. You don't have to use that many. I just used it because I'm feeding all boys and a family of 5. And you're also going to need the can of chicken mushroom soup and a can of cream of chicken. And then whatever spices you like to use, I ended up using salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and garlic salt. You're also going to be using 2 cans of chicken broth. And I do realize once you put on the spices, if you pour the chicken broth, it kind of washes the spices off. I just kind of poured at the side as I'm doing right here. And even though the spices kind of wash off the chicken a little bit, they're still in the pot, so that's all that matters. And you can use whatever spices you like. I'm just using basically what I have on hand. And then I ended up cutting up 3 stalks of celery. Guys, I don't really normally like a lot of celery, but in chicken and dumplings, it does add really, really good flavor. So I just went on ahead and added it. And then I do go ahead and add about half a bag of those carrots, and I ended up cutting up a whole onion. You could also use garlic if you wanted. I do really love garlic, but tonight I just wanted to kind of get it started and get it done. And to tell you the truth, guys, this was done the day before, and we were having my family over watching a few movies, so I just wanted to kind of get this filmed. That way I could add the 2 videos together. Oh, no, not the 2 videos. I could add the video of this and the fall decorating together. So once I cooked everything on high for about 5 hours, I took all the chicken out and I basically cut it up. To me, this chicken still does not look 100% done, but I wanted to get it basically shredded. So I went on ahead and cut it up, and at this point in time, when I added it back into the crock pot, I also added in a bag of frozen peas. You don't have to, but you're not going to want to cook the peas at the same time as you put like the carrots and stuff in, because they will get really dark and lose their color, and they also kind of lose a little bit of the flavor. So they taste better if you do it at the last. Now is where you're going to want to add in those biscuits. Who else is scared of opening these containers? I know I can't be the only one, because every time they pop, I am so afraid that it's just going to pop really loud or go flying. But this one actually wasn't that bad. So anyways, I went on ahead and I just cut the biscuits in fourths, and I went on ahead and after I added them to the pot, I let it cook for an additional hour and a half, but the biscuits looked slightly kind of doughy still. So I just gave them a little bit of a stir, and then I let it cook probably for about another, I'd say about 30 minutes. So that way this was done by 7 o'clock, and look at how delicious this is. It is so yummy, guys. It is nice. It's a creamy texture. It's like soupy, just to the right amount, and even my picky kids loved it. It's delicious. It was so good. All right, guys, so now on to the fall decorating.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. Get up how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
Guys, I am so in love with the way my kitchen turned out. I cannot wait to start on my living room. And I really, really love the 3-tier tray and this little truck. How adorable is that? But let me just give you a little bit of a tour of the kitchen. We have this farmer's market with this little lamb's ear. I really liked this. I wasn't going to put this in here, but this corner, actually both corners, this one and the one over here, they really need height. Otherwise it looks really weird to me. So I just thought I would go ahead and put those there and it'd be really cute. And I don't know why this picture is coming out more of gray, but it's more of a sage green in person. And I just thought that was adorable. And then I did add this little squirrel, this little guy right there. I don't think I added him on camera, but there he is. He's so cute. I don't think I got enough small things to decorate, well, when I'm used to. And these really cute things also came from the Target dollar spot for $5. And I had the pumpkin on this one, but I was like, let me just turn that because I just thought it'd look really cute, and it does. And this silly thing on top, I just was playing around one day back there at my little craft table, and it's just a bunch of little strands of ribbon that I just tied together. And I did have to switch stuff around from this counter, well, this counter to this counter, because the plug, that's the plug I use when I'm using the toaster and whatnot. And I just wanted to hang up this picture right here, and it was just in the way, so I had to switch some stuff around. And this plug right here, the electrician still needs to come out and fix it. He came out a couple weeks ago, but he said that there were, I don't know, something's wrong with it, so he needs to come back, but I'm still waiting. Always be grateful and kind. I love that. And I am loving these pumpkins with these leaves. I love that. And then the gather, which was really cute. And this is one of the little pumpkins I DIY'd. Basically it was, I think, orange, and I just painted it that cream color so it'll match. This little guy is something I've had for a few years, so I just wanted to put him a little bit of green in there. And I thought that the little cutting boards were cute. My phone's ringing, hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so on this little awesome thing from Hobby Lobby, I don't know, I did have this little cute guy, this little woodland animal. He came from Pier 1 a couple of years ago. He was on clearance for like $10, so I brought him back out. I thought he was so cute next to these pumpkins. And these little risers, they did not have them this year. I wish they did, because I would have gotten like 30 of them, but those were from the Target dollar spot for $1. So just give a little bit of height. And of course the little Target truck, that is so cute in there. You can see it better in person, along with that little pumpkin and some pine cones. And I love this little critter right here. Isn't that so cute? He came from Hobby Lobby, and I just thought that was adorable. Along with this Hello Fall sign. The majority of the stuff came from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. I've had a few things from Marshall's, a couple things from the dollar store, and then I do have some Target dollar spot stuff. Okay, up here above my microwave, I have been told I've had way too much greenery, but that's okay, to each their own, because I like it like that. But I went on ahead and picked up this awesome, cute little truck. The little pumpkins was orange and a yellow, and I just painted them to match my colors, and then stuffed a few little pumpkins in there. And I thought that was so cute. The lemons back there, I took all the lemons down like you saw, but the lemons back there is a little basket. You have to be really tall to see that. Okay, so on this counter, I kept it very, very simple. I don't have a lot of kitchen space as it is, so I ended up putting those Ray Dunn Harvest and Fall spatulas in there, which I thought were really cute, and this Happy Fall, and this pumpkin. I do think this actually came from Michael's. Yeah, this came from Michael's, but I ended up painting it that cream color, and then the leaf a green color, just once again to match my colors. And that's it. That's my kitchen. That's everything. See, this space right here, it looks like it's too open to me. I do not like how much room there is. I like it a little bit more, I guess you would say cluttered. I don't know. I like it like that though. I like it full. But see, I like the way this looks really well. And it just seems like I need something right there. I don't know. Maybe I'll pick up something, because I think I need to go buy more pumpkins to do my living room. Alright guys, basically that'll do it for today. I did want to mention this little sign right here. Let me get a close up. this cute little sign. The YouTube channel is named She Makes Buttons. She's the one who made that for me, and I thought that was adorable. I'm going to try to figure out how to link her channel below, but if I can't figure it out, you guys should still go check her out. Tell her the Mommy Life sent you, and it's She Makes Buttons. She makes a lot of really cute stuff, not just buttons, but she makes a lot of really, really awesome stuff, especially using the Cricut. So, alright guys, that is it for today. I will have another fall video up here shortly. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.